Electrical generator engine, 900 kVA, 16 cylinders. Taken apart after 17,500 hours, equivalent to 1 million kilometers, with oil changes every 1,000 hours. This is Cummins' engine electrical generator. This engine was in operation since 1993. After 9,000 hours, we started using Polytron. Today, we took the engine apart after it was in operation 17,500 hours. The reason why the engine was taken apart is because of penetration of water into the oil system and oil into the water system, and not because of a breakdown as a result of wear. Now we can go and see all the engine parts and their condition after the use of Polytron. This is an oil cooler. As you can see, the penetration of water into the oil system caused formation of water-oil emulsion. After 10,000 hours, we started getting an indication of water presence in the oil system. But we kept the engine in operation, thanks to Polytron, additional 7,500 hours before we decided to take it apart. After 17,500 hours, as you can see, the oil baths are totally clean of any sludge. This is a blockhead taken off a Cummins engine with oil changes and treatment with Polytron every 1,000 hours. As we can see, the oil did not oxidize and did not form any buildup. All the tests show that the total base number, even after 1,000 hours, is still high. This is highly unusual to see an engine after 17,500 hours, which is equivalent to 1 million kilometers, totally clean with no sludge or buildup. It is absolutely a rare phenomenon. Here we can see a piston from a 16-cylinder Cummins engine 900 kVA, where oil was changed every 1,000 hours with Polytron additive package. As you can see, the piston rings, 2 pressure rings, are totally clean and free, and the same with the oil ring. The ring blades are in excellent condition. After 17,500 hours, it is very rare to see piston rings so clean and free to move. The carbon buildup you see here was caused by combustion of diesel fuel, which is not in our control. For your information, if we use Polytron fuel conditioner, this carbon buildup could have been also prevented. This piston goes right back to the engine as is. Let's go now to the piston rod bearings. As you can see, they still have their full thickness. There is no scoring or scuffing. Gentlemen, there is no such phenomenon. After 17,500 hours, these bearings had to be totally chewed up. The bearings are in excellent condition. Here I am showing again the full thickness of the bearings. There is no wear whatsoever. If the bearings don't have any wear, then of course the crankshaft doesn't have any wear. This engine will be put together without replacing any engine parts and without any repair. I want to stress again that this engine is 17,500 hours old, which is equivalent to 1 million kilometers. Here you can see a cylinder sleeve from the same engine. From the inside, it has no wear at all. We can still see the honing of the original bore. Gentlemen, if after 17,500 hours, we still can see the cross-honing, which means the engine didn't use up even 10 to 12% of its lifespan. We expect that this engine can run at least 7 times longer.